Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Comcast Xfinity modem to your router for internet access. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have all necessary equipment ready. You will need your Comcast Xfinity modem, a compatible router, and Ethernet cables. Start by locating your Comcast Xfinity modem and positioning it near your router. Make sure the modem is plugged into a power source and is powered on. Connect your modem to the wall outlet using a coaxial cable. Next, take the first Ethernet cable and connect one end to the Ethernet port on the modem. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to the WAN or Internet port on your router. Ensure the connection is secure on both ends. Now, power on your router by connecting it to a power source. Wait for a few moments for the router to fully boot up. Once the router's lights indicate it's ready, grab a second Ethernet cable. Take one end of the second Ethernet cable and connect it to one of the LAN ports on your router. Connect the other end to your computer or laptop. Make sure your computer is powered on. Now, open a web browser on your computer. In the address bar, input the router's IP address to access the setup page. Commonly used IP addresses include 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log in using the default credentials found on the router or in its manual. Once logged in, follow the on-screen setup wizard to configure your network settings. Make sure to set your Wi-Fi name and password as desired. After completing the configuration, save your settings. Disconnect the Ethernet cable from your computer if you plan to use Wi-Fi. Now, check your devices to ensure they connect to the new network correctly. If you experience any issues, restart both the modem and router. Finally, verify that you have internet access on your connected devices. Congratulations! You have successfully connected your Comcast Xfinity modem to your router for internet access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.